Welcome to English Pronunciation Mastery. Let me ask you a question. How do you pronounce the letter A? You probably said E-I. Great. But how do you pronounce the first letter in the word apple? It's E-A. Did you notice? The letter has one name, but it makes a different sound inside a word. Today, you'll learn one of the most important secrets of English pronunciation. Let's begin. Hello everyone. I'm happy you're here. Welcome to the first lesson of English Pronunciation Mastery. Before we learn words, we need to understand something very important. Every English letter has a letter name and one or more letter sounds. English words are pronounced using sounds, not letter names. Once you understand this idea, reading English becomes much easier. Let's get started. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to understand the difference between a letter name and a letter sound. Recognize that English words are read using sounds. Pronounce the first 5 letters and their most common sounds correctly. Read simple words more confidently. Ready? Let's begin. Every letter has a name. Listen and repeat after me. A, I, B, bi, C, si, D, di, E, I. Excellent. These are the names of the letters. Now let's learn the sounds. Listen carefully. A, apple. A, B, book. B, C, cat. K, D, dog. D, E, egg. E. Excellent. Remember, the sound is different from the letter name. Let's compare them. Letter A, name. EI, sound. A, apple. Letter B, name. BI, sound. B, book. Letter C, name. Psi, sound. K, cat. Excellent. Always remember, we read English using sounds, not letter names. Repeat after me. A, apple. B, book. C, cat. Excellent. D, dog. E, egg. Excellent. Now say all the words without stopping. Apple, book, cat, dog, egg. Fantastic. Listen carefully. Which word did I say? Number 1, apple. Correct? Number 2, dog. Excellent. Number 3, book. Very good. Number 4, cat. Great. Replay this section and practice again. Now it's your turn. Read each word before I do. Ready? Apple, book, cat, dog, egg. Excellent reading. Let's check your understanding. Question 1. What is the first sound in apple? A, E-I, B, A-A. Pause the video. The correct answer is A, excellent. Question 2. Which word begins with the sound B? A, book, B, dog. Correct, book. Question 3. English words are read using A, letter names, B, letter sounds. Correct, letter sounds. Fantastic. Today's homework. Read these words 5 times. Apple, ant, book, bowl, cat, car. Dog, door, egg, elephant. Then record yourself. Listen carefully. Compare your pronunciation with today's lesson. Practice every day. Today you learned every letter has a name. Every letter also has one or more sounds. English words are pronounced using sounds, not letter names. Excellent work. You've completed the first lesson of your pronunciation journey. Fantastic job. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. In Lesson 2nd, you'll learn the 26 English letters and their most common sounds. You'll build a strong foundation for reading and speaking. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next lesson.